Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to answer a question that many homeowners ask. Are wireless burglar alarms actually worth buying in 2026? So I will cover the main advantages, the drawbacks, and whether a wireless system is the right choice for your home. So the biggest reason why people choose wireless alarms is simple installation. So unlike the wired systems, there is usually no need to run the cables through the walls or ceilings. Most of the sensors communicate directly with the control panel using the wireless signals. So this makes them especially popular for existing homes and the rental properties. Now, one of the major advantages of it is flexibility. You can easily add extra door sensors, motion detectors, or outdoor devices later without rewiring property. So most of the modern wireless systems also include the smartphone applications, allowing you to arm, disarm, or monitor the system remotely. Now, if I talk about the reliability, so there is where many people have concerns. Years ago, wireless alarms had a reputation for the signal issues, but modern systems are much more reliable. Most of the high quality systems continuously monitor the sensor communication and the battery status. So for the average home, reliability is usually not a problem when the system is installed correctly. Now, the only drawback that I would like to mention is the battery maintenance. So, unlike the wired sensors, the wireless devices rely heavily on the batteries that eventually need replacing. Fortunately, most of the systems provide low battery warnings well before the batteries actually die. So modern wireless alarm systems use encrypted communication between the sensors and the control panel. So this makes them far more secure than the older wireless alarm technologies, and it also helps protect against the interference attempts. So for most of the homeowners, I will definitely say that it is actually worth purchasing in 2026 if you want easier installation, remote control feature, and the flexibility to expand your system later. A quality wireless burglar alarm is usually a great investment. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.